Good evening, guys. I think we have a decent amount of attendance, actually less than expectation, because जितना लोगों ने confirm किया था उससे थोड़े कम लोग हैं. Nevertheless, there have been some difficulties. Some people who are having difficult to join in because they're coming and admit नहीं हो पा रहे. Not an issue. That I think the team will take care. Let's begin because we're already late for the PPT. Normally, I don't like to start it late. Fair. To start off, let's two, three few pointers before we start on. Request all of you to change your names to your proper name because what is happening is many of you registered in your names, and here we can see names such as iPhone, somebody का किसी का मोबाइल नंबर है, किसी का रैंडम नंबर से फैंसी नाम है. थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट इफ यू कैन चेंज change your name to your proper names, right? किसी के पास तो OnePlus ऐसा वाला नाम आ रहा है, तो please change it to your proper names. And second thing is keep your videos on closed mode, audio also on mute till you when we have interactions. You can definitely unmute yourself and talk. Till that time, please switch off your videos because it will distract the other people who are listening to you. So that's a request. So I have the privilege to keep the video on, so I'll be on video on. Nobody else will have this privilege today, at least for today. Then you can keep your videos off. That's a request. Third thing is, as and when you have queries, you can type in the chat box. My team members are also here who will also keep responding to you, and I will also take up question answers at the end of the session. So whatever queries that you have, we'll even if it's 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever it is, we'll respond to every queries of yours, and only then we'll end this meeting. So that's my assurance to you. So that's on the little prelim for it. That's a request. If you can honor it. One. Okay. Thank you. And before we move on, can we do one thing? Can you all unmute yourself for a minute? Okay, and let me do that for you. Yeah, so you can unmute yourself now, and can you all give a round of applause? Can you just clap? Yeah, I need to hear some more. Okay, great. This is for me because I just mute all of you. So this clap is for me. No, I'm kidding. It's not for me. It's for you. Thing is, because you have taken a very, very important decision of your life in making money for yourself and growing. Historically, our observations has been that people are having difficulties across, right? So we come across all of us, some of us are joining in. Sorry, one second. CK, help me with people who are joining in. It's prompting out here. Okay, thanks. So people are there who have been working different ways, and then there's been a single pointed question across that: how do I earn more? How do I ensure that some in my income goes up from here? Because there's a limitation, right? How much our salaries can give us? What is that we can do beyond our salaries? And that's what was the biggest point for you guys to come up and respond to this particular ad of this, right? So largely what happens is that the limitation is salaries, and that's the way I call it is typically we are laborers or we are slaves to our salaries because we're so much confined to our salaries, which comes from month end to month end basis. And the moment the salary comes in, our expense meter starts off, we start paying EMIs, we start paying rentals, we have a lot of things goes on. And then I'm sure those who got salaries in the month beginning, by now it would have been almost half, right? Because we've already plan for expenses, and most of the expenses takes away that part of it. And then we are eagerly waiting for our next salary to come in because we've already spent this month's salaries. And people sometimes go live beyond the means, and they live on credit card expenses and all those stuff. Then we end up getting loans more and more and more and more. So all of us have this itch to earn more. And for that, you guys have made the boldest decision of coming onto this seminar. So this clap was to you guys. Hearty congratulations from my end for having made this kind of a move, because this is a first step to your own financial success. So we'll talk about it. I'll keep giving you what we are discussing about it. So largely, what happens is that there are 3-4 questions that we will address today. One is why are we here? What is it we're going to do from here? Second, who can be part of this? Then how do we become part of this? And then the wow factor around it. Okay, so these are those 4 questions which answer. Please mute yourself. Okay, so when we speak to customers, so largely customers have 2 kind of queries. One is how do I earn better than my FD rates? Because if you are seeing today, FD rates have been shrinking, and last week, in fact, just a matter of 1 week, we saw FD rate moving down from 5.5% to 5%. Just a matter of people who went to book an FD last week and said I want to book an FD, and by the time they came with the money, the FD rates have become 5%. So people are worried. They're figuring out, then how do I make more money from my FD, more than the FD returns? And second thing is, how do I protect my family during uncertainties of life? Because uncertainties have been in different formats, right? We've been seeing quite a lot of casualties that's happening across in the south. If you look at it, there's been heavy rainfall. People are losing homes over it. Mumbai has been flooding. We saw this in Kerala and these kind of places. And that brings in a lot of financial losses to many people. And then COVID also brought in a lot of financial losses to many people, right? Many people lost jobs. Many people had salary cuts. So people have been going through pain points. So how do we ensure that my family is still protected and they don't suffer, and they don't go through the pain points that I have to go through along with me, kind of? So this is 2 questions which comes up. And largely, what are those segment of people whom we are talking about, who will be our target segment? Largely, if you look at it, the rural mass is almost 365 million people. We're not going to touch base upon that for now, but then if you look at the other set of the pyramid, which is 130 billion, and then another 27 million, and then the super rich 0.43. Super rich is probably will not be the category that we will stick to, but these 2 zones of 27 million plus 30 million, total of about 152 million odd people, are our huge potential network to bring money from. And these people can be our clients, and that is a huge humongous potential. And today, financial industry, all of us put together, whether it is in form of banks, your national distributors, individual people, all of them are put together. We are not able to cover this because the percentage ratio between how many people we are and how many people that is, like 150 odd million people vis-a-vis 5,000 odd foot on people who are going to go and advise people upon. So there's a huge mismatch. So that means the potential is huge. So both ways, the requirement is huge, and we're going to cater to this. And how does it come across is largely, if you see, the majority of the money today has been in properties. Almost about 57% of the population have been putting money into properties alone. Then comes in gold at around 12%, and then FDs and bank deposits all put together is about 16-17%. Next, we have insurance, which is a very, very minuscule, despite so much of rightful products and despite so much of agents across. Only just about 6% of the saving is getting into insurances. And then pension fund is about 4%, and equity is about 4%. So net, if you look at that, household saving money is majoritarily getting distributed between banks and property. Yes, the money which is going in from property to come into this space is going to take time. But nevertheless, what's going to happen is at least the money which is there in deposits, like I said, FD rates are coming down. So this is quickly moving in this space to this space. So that dramatic change is happening. And not just for India, it's happening globally as well. And if you look at countries like US and all that, so typically they have a very, very low FD base. And there are some countries which have a negative inflation rate or negative FD rates where they have to pay the bank for parking money with them. So this is, so the kind of total money that we are talking about is 7.5 trillion. So that's the size of money that is here in the system, right? And we have a huge potential to look forward to. This is the forward looking thought process. So why do we need wealth managers, right? There are two pointers when when you look at it. This is a small image which was shared by one of the colleagues, so it's a very interesting thing, so we keep resharing it across. So this is her balcony, and what happened was she used to have plants down there, and some plants, if you can see on top, naturally it was not coming up the right way, and then she finally said no, it's not working out. So she hired a gardener, and gardener made small changes across. What he did is very simplistic stuff. He bought down the pots which are on top. So earlier they used to take a stool or a ladder and pour water onto this. Now that has come to their level of body height. They are able to water this. At the same time, he pulled out the thorny plants, bougainvillea kind of thorny plants out, and he bought in better plants across. So he straight simple stuff. He bought in that change. And why am I giving you a gardener's example is because this kind of a change is what wealth managers can do, right? It can be self-managed as well as it can be an expert managed, and an expert adds a lot of value. So on a one more example, before I show that, it's more on the lighter side. If you're a fan, no offense, just as a to give you the thought process. That's why I have put this. If you look at the artist, right, film stars, and without makeup, and this is exactly a professional can add value across. So you require a professional in every field, and so is wealth management business. I do it myself, I'll do it my own way, may not work all the time. So somewhere you require a professional, and that's where you guys come into picture, wherein you're going to bring in and get the unorganized money into an organized way for the investors. That's the biggest key role of any wealth manager is going to be. And this is what we're going to do. Right. So I also pulled out a little data globally. Of course, this is global numbers. So who are those best paying jobs across? If we see this, typically surgeons are the most well paid people, followed by you have dentists, you have psychiatrists, then pilots, then you have chief executives, right? And then the financial managers, which is you and me out here. Right. So typically, if you look at those rest of the segment, many of us may not be able to take it up now because we've already passed that education cycle. We can't go and become doctors or surgeons, and no doubt that's a fantastic profession. Today, when Corona kind of a situation is happening, if you see, they've been treated like gods, right? So people said that God no longer exists in temples, churches, or masjid. He's there out there in hospitals and police station, who is fighting for our lives, right? And these doctors no doubt are getting paid the best. It's due respect to them, and it is where they are. So that if we can't become this, but there is still a possibility of we become financial managers, which is what we can earn and we can become. So we can become the top 10 part paying jobs in the world. So, and why are we getting paid to this degree? I'll explain to you a little later on that. Before we move on, let me tell you what is our company all about, right? So Wealthy was literally it's a 6-year-old firm today. So we started off as a pure fintech firm, and then we moved on in the global manner. Where if you look at it, how majority of the global players have changed, majority of the fintechs have changed. You've seen that with Nutmeg, Investment Friend, and large entities like Raymond James have all of them have moved towards a direction of a B2B model. They said, boss, I cannot do everything myself. I need people who would going to become our representatives and who want to drive the business forward. So both Aditya and Prashant are our co-founders. Both of them are IIT batchmates in certain way, and post their IITs, Aditya went on to do an IIM Ahmedabad course, and Aditya went on to his corporate career. Aditya was with the Monitor Group and various other companies, and finally Prashant moved was in the financials. He was with Morgan Stanley London, and then at one point in time, both of them realized that there's a huge gap and a huge void here to fill up. Where is the wealth management industry? More to it, for Aditya, it was like it was a personal experience which went bad with his financial manager. He said, "Can we create something which is more rightful in nature, which can go and give justice to investors?" Typically what happens is, with if somebody is working for a bank or any kind of an organization, there is a sales pressure onto this employee. So the sales pressure eventually pushes people or RMs or whoever it is to go and sell something which is not probably the rightfully the correct product for the investor, because there is a pressure, because there is huge impact onto it, and they would go and sell it to the customer. Eventually customers become unhappy, and then when the same RM goes back, or the new RM who's replaced the RM goes back to the client and says that, "No, I have something else to offer you, this might be better product," even if it's the right product for the client will shy away and say, "No, I don't want it." And if classic case for us has been the ULIPs, right? Many investors actually been disgruntled about ULIPs all across. That's when we realized that something, probably there's a gap where we can do some amount of justice. We can give a rightful product across to them. So that's the start of the company, and today we have been gradually growing across, and this growth has been a decent amount of growth for the company, despite today's situation of post lockdowns and corona pandemic, where people are cutting jobs, where people are trying, we are still hiring, and we remained greener, I would say, because we've not burnt money, we've not been burning cash out there, we've kept it on a very, very rightful thought process way, so which has helped us to remain in the right side of it. So this is a little about Wealthy. There are two things which, if you look at it, there are two brands which I have put. Both of them are successful brands in their own way. So the first one is Amazon. If you would have already known this, so Amazon caters to one segment of people. He says, "Was have an offering of all products which is available to you. I'll give you every product, you name it, and that will come to your doorstep." And he's concentrating upon a B2C kind of a model, which the focus is always on the customer. He says, "Boss, whatever the customer wants, I'll give it to you." Whereas there is another successful brand, I don't know how many of you heard of this, Shopify. Shopify actually does a reverse order. He says, "Yes, I'm going to no doubt give the right product to the customer, but I'm not going to kill the intermediaries across. My job is to make sure that I'll support the intermediaries and make them also grow along with me." So that's the Shopify model. And Shopify also has been successful in their own level of doing things. So both have been very successful across. So if we look at Wealthy, we are also in a similar fashion. So what we've done is we've created and supporting intermediaries. Here, it's going to be a win-win-win situation. Like I just told you a couple of minutes back, that it is designed in such a way that it has to be, everybody is getting the right justice and everybody is benefiting from it. How does it become win-win-win? One is to the client, he gets the right product without actually there is no pressure on to someone to sell. So then the right product, whatever the client needs and whatever the client requirement is. At Wealthy, we don't recommend anything which is fancy, which is going to be very high margin kind of product. Nothing is sold because we'll make revenue out of it. Most of the recommendations, in fact, when it comes to mutual funds, if you look at it, there are funds which will probably give very high commissions because of size or unknown brands and stuff like that. We would not want to look at those kind of companies. We would want always be happier, even if the expense ratios are lesser, but we would want to do business with good companies, good schemes. We don't get shaken up by whatever offerings that comes to us from that particular manufacturer. We have our own processes and we stick to that process, and we say that yes, this is where the client is going to make money from, so which has actually helped us. Moving forward, next is you guys. So this is how does it benefit you, is that every business that you generate, we're going to have a profit sharing with you, so which is almost 70% of the revenue that you fetch in is given back to you as your revenue sharing, which doesn't happen in a banking environment or any kind of an employment business, because there, if you look at it, majority of the businesses are cost inefficient models. Because I mean, let's look at a typical bank. Nothing against or for them, they do have their own advantages, but just as an example to for a better understanding, there are branches all over places, so they have ATMs, they have cost. So right from the electricity bill, the AC bill of the branch, to the security guards bill and cleaning persons, every cost is to be pushed on to the RM, and RM has to deliver. Not only that, the RM also has to cover up for the cost of the verticals above, right? There'll be innumerable verticals right until the CEO. So that whole pressure is on the bottom line salesperson who is going and getting the business for the company. Whereas when it comes to fintech, not just our own, so I'm talking about every fintech in the country today, and that's why so many fintechs have been emerging across globally as well as in India, is that the biggest advantage that comes to us is because our costs are minimal. So we don't have high verticals. We have just a very, very flat structure. We've kept the costs very, very minimum. I mean, if you ask us, I mean, we just run the entire operations of why India, global operations across, because clients are all across the world. So all of that clients, businesses just getting managed out of a Bangalore office, which is just about 2,500 square foot office, and that's good enough, right? That's the beauty of fintech companies. So we can give you that cost advantage, and that cost advantage gets passed on to our wealth managers, which is you guys, right? So that's why your earning potential with us or our kind of entities have been much higher compared to a banking environment or anywhere, because there the costs are much high. So the last part of the win-win is us, right? So which is, if you guys make money, eventually we also make money out of it. So we also have our share, but though minor share that we keep aside after all the taxes and operational expenses, but still it is a decent income, because I keep going back to this, it's a collective effort. And if you look at it, it is an ant colony model, right? When you look at an ant colony, if there is a sweet lying somewhere, there will be one ant which will go and fetch that sweet across, and it will lay a path across for the rest of the other ants to go and uh, fetch in that particular sweet into that, and they'll find the shortest route to bring in the sweet back to their colony. And while it works as independently, each ant could be working around it, but the whole ant colony, which could be probably millions of ant, work as one team, one setup, right? And that's exactly what happens here also, that we might not be able to reach out to many locations which is remote, which you guys are able to reach out, and you guys become our brand. So that is why we don't emphasize on wealthy brand across. Wealthy is only for you guys, and you will be the brand to the client who will go and interact with the client and good business. So largely it is a win-win-win for the client, for you, as well as for us. So that is how the model has been created. How do we compete against big brands? So because there are a lot of brands which are there who are in the similar space that we do. So if you look at it, we are a technology driven, and the way we've call ourselves is technology driven and human delivered, which is the phygital model with physical as well as technological model, right? So, and most of it, the problems which are there are solved from technologically. It's an open architecture forum wherein there is no conflict across. So, and we give you the best market practices across, and the biggest advantage is another advantage which comes in is a strong research team. So we have a good research team which also is backed by technical know. So here the research is just not happening at a human level, but also technology comes into it, and then the most of the system does 50% of the job, and human element only takes over from there and say that yes, this is what is the right product that can go to the customer, probably what could work in the next 2-3 years kind of a thing. So today, even if you look at a mutual fund kind of an example, there are about 4,000 odd schemes which are available in the market, and to filter it down to 3-4 of them is not an easy task, and that's where technology technology brings in a lot of support to us, as well as the research team, which gives us an edge. So it's both worlds, like I said. It's digital plus you guys, which is someone who can have a human interface whom we can talk to. We've learned this, and this has been a very, very successful model for us, as well as I'm sure you will also experience this in the going forward. Okay. How do we provide you with the support? How does the platform, how does the system work for you? Is largely, it's a three-tier system. First is the research, where research will give you a strong, like I already mentioned to you, it's a fundamentally strong research, which will come as an asset allocation, as well as asset allocation is a very, very important key element. Why am I emphasizing on this? Is because if you look at majority of our customers today, as we speak, are not in losses. Their portfolios are not in losses because of the asset allocation model that we followed. And that strict asset allocation ensured that people are not in negative despite the market falls. And they're very happy, and they're referring more and more clients to us. So next, we do have trainings. We have a lot of other enabler factors, which will give you, and there is a periodic training and an upgrade, both. I mean, we have something called as a master class, which gives you 3 levels of advanced adding. So one, you will have a skill building, one you will have a product approach, and as well as a market approach kind of trainings, so which will help you to grow across along with us. Execution wise, the platform itself is giving you digital execution capabilities, and it also has a very strong CRM. So largely sitting anywhere, whichever part of the country that you are sitting in, even in the remote, as long as you have a good internet connection, you should be able to transact and help customers build their wealth. So this is where it is. The support wise, here you also get operational capabilities, as well as a platform which is signed up with many platforms. Now, how does this come in much handy? Is there are a lot of people who come in. I mean, so we have people who come in from different thought process and different fields out here. If one individual were to go and tie up with many companies, I have a limitation of how many companies I can do. Let's assume in insurance brand, if I have to go and sign up with an insurance company, that insurance company will say that you have to minimum give about 13 policies a year. If you don't do that, your agency will expire. So then next, futuristically, you will not be able to earn money from whatever that insurance policies that you had done, right? And that's how insurance models work, right? We can't go and sign up with more than 1 or 2 insurance companies, because that is a limitation for how many individuals can do that. But as an organizational setup, we are going to give you advantage of selling multi-insurance products. This is a limitation for a bank RM also. Let's assume if a particular bank is signed up with HDFC Life, and the customer comes up and says that, I want a Prudential product, right, which he finds is much better. Someone somewhere has told him. If he comes to the particular bank, the bank will say, I don't offer Prudential. You'll have to go to the next bank and sell it. So the bank lost a customer. In our case, that will not limit you guys, right? So we've given you a multi-product, so that if some product is good somewhere, you should be able to sell that for the client. Both. Now, I'm not just talking about life. It's in the mutual fund. It's also in your insurance, GI, health. That's the kind of, I will talk about what all products that we offer a little later, but that's a single platform which is going to give you that entire capabilities of all the types without having to you run from door to door and shelter to shelter to process it. And it is also a fact that from start of the point, you also have a team which is working for you in the back end, right? So many times, if we are an individual thing, if we are not part of an organization, there are a lot of individual agents who struggle, because I have to do the paperwork, I have to do all the processing work. If some queries have to be coming in, rather than spending time on my qualitative sales aspect, I'm spending time on operational things, which is not a requirement, because Wealthy is going to give you a team of background people who will going to do your operational job. You just have to raise the ticket to them, and they'll complete that particular case. So that's how the system helps you overall in both the execution support as well as the knowledge part of it. So this is how encompassive is the product. Then you will also have a dedicated relationship manager. I'm sure some of you would have spoken to a few people within Wealthy. We normally keep a trend that the same people will keep interacting with you, so that there's a better bonding and better understanding for you guys. And of course, I am there at all point in time for your support at any point. Okay. uh, then we also give you a technological support. Then the lot of product ideas are also shared across, which is on the right thing. And the most important aspect is your money, right? So it's a very, very transparent system right on the platform. Whenever you are selling a product, that how much of revenue can come to you on that particular product that you are selling. It's that transparent, because we've kept it like whatever wealth is getting, we're going to share it in almost 70% of that. Your, of course, rest is also goes into taxes, which we cannot pass on to you. So obviously that's why it becomes 70. But this is a very transparent mechanism. And then whatever business that you do, let's assume that you joined in with us today, and whatever business that you do right from August 1st to August 30th, on 15th of September you would get your payouts. So that's how the calendarization is. If 15th happens to be a holiday, the next following day would be your payouts. So this is how your earnings will come, and it's a very consistency of earning that you can build from this particular platform. uh, how has been the three aspects that we give on the platform is, one is the investment solutions, which will be on PMS, mutual funds, MLDs, bonds, unlisted shares, also corporate FDs. Then on the on the protection plan, you have health and health and life, which is going to be, like I said, it's going to be with across multiple companies. Then we also have financing options like mortgage or balance transfer, loan, and those kind of products. So of course, this is limited to few cities right now, because financing has a limitation on because we need to do physical verifications of that. So that's not available in every city. But these two, point one and two, which is your life, health, and this one, as well as your investment solutions, are available at every city for all of you to start off with. How is the product breadth? What all products that we offer? Largely mutual fund. In mutual fund, what we've done is, like I told you, that are almost about 4,000 odd schemes which are there. So there's a filtered schemes which is well researched, and that filtered product is given to you as a project, as a package straight away to you. So if it is a client who wants to do a switch, which is like a smart switch from debt to equity, it will keep moving in. So that will be built in. So it's on the based on the recommended. We'll learn about this in a later date as you come on board. Then there are SIPs which can be more, not like the typical SIP. What happens with other ranges? You can, futuristically program your SIPs to change it back to whichever fund that is the most recommended product at that point in time. A very well diversified portfolios across, and typically I'll not get into much detail, but basically mutual fund packages are formed so that you have an ease of doing business on mutual funds. You don't have to go and break thoughts with the client. As the same point, the conversation is shifted from a scheme-based discussion to the goal-based discussion. So objective here is to be goal rather than the scheme. Scheme will anyway, eventually the system will pick it up. The software will do its job on selecting the scheme for the client, right? So whereas the goal is what you guys have to manage across. Can custom funds cannot be done? It can also be done. There is also a provision for that. But largely, yes, we encourage people to stick to the researched products itself. Then we have PMS product, then we have unlisted, there are bonds, alternative equities, PMS, will writing, insurance, like already told you, health, your vehicle, all your general insurance, everything put together, corporate deposit, all of that would become part of this. And whatever product that you do, and whatever is the earning from that respective product, in mutual funds and PMS, it's always trailer, but the rest of it unlisted and bonds like that. So you can, whatever money that you make, that will start getting paid to you upfront out there. Wherever there's an upfront income, immediately you will get that payment in the next following month. So this is how it is designed for you guys. Okay, is it been very difficult? I've just shown few examples. Let me see if I can get some of them to speak to you at the end of the session. If someone is logged in into the session, I'll probably bring them on. If not a problem. You will always interact with these people. So there are some people with us who've already been making decent amount of income. I think this guy now made more. they were with different companies earlier, and they realized that it's not working out. I can't no longer take the boss's shit. Sorry to use that, but yeah, I can't take no longer take whatever the boss keeps. I used to be with Access earlier. I was a state head for Access, and I had to do that for my team as well. But it's not that what I did it out of liking. I always hated doing it, but then I had no choice because I had to ultimately push the team and call them up morning and evening and take sessions onto them and ensure that those people deliver numbers. But then that's how the system is. That's how the companies are designed. So you can't help it, right? So these people decided, boss, I don't want to be in anywhere part of that particular rut anymore, and they moved out, and now the kind of earnings that they are making is phenomenal. And is it difficult? I mean, it might look like, oh, too big a number. I'll show you how it works actually, right? So eventually, if you look at a mutual fund kind of an AUM, if you are able to build an AUM of when gradually over a period of time to 30 lakh to 1 crore kind of an AUM over 12 months, and again, not very difficult. Plus, if you're able to do about a 4-5 lakh of unlisted, that's how these guys have been doing. They do, especially Ira, right? I mean, just as an example, I think Ira should be there on this call. Let me see if I can get her on call. She had to, quit her corporate life because of she became a mother. And then once after maternity, she was on her own. So for a couple of months, she actually didn't. So this month, actually, in fact, she's earning more. She's almost making about 3.5-4 lakhs. She was following up with one client for a couple of months now. That client almost made about 25 odd lakhs of pre-IPOs, that's unlisted shares, and wherein her income straight away shot up, right? So this is into 4, in fact, 25 odd lakhs or into 5 rather, right? And then if you do one insurance policy a month or one health or one term, any combination of that would end up making you about 1.5 lakh. I keep telling this, your objective, you're coming on board, and your objective out here should be to earn at least 2x or 3x of your last drawn salary, which is there, right? This should be our object, and it's not very, very difficult to do it. Very, very simplistic, right? Because here, like I told you, the basic difference between a banking system or any kind of other entity and us is that we want to pay more and more to you, because the more we pay you, the more we earn, right? So that's where our endeavor and my endeavor across, I will be with you all across. I will also always support you in such a way that wherever you want, my objective is to each of you should be at least be able to earn 1 lakh of rupees from the system every month, and that's bare simple possible. No so much of not complications, and people are making so much, not everybody, but yes, there are people who make about 30-40K also in a month. But there are people who make 3-4 lakhs as well, which I showed you some examples out here. So there are people who are making money from the system effortlessly, very much, and then you don't have to really work from 9 to 5. Go and do the time stamping. You don't have to put your finger across and say, "Boss, I've logged in, I've come into the office, and I've attended all the meetings." No, at your leisure, right? I mean, you just want to spend a couple of hours in a day and get this. You can do this, and there are a couple of business people who have come on board, and they've been looking the same way. They spend most of their working days at the business, and the weekends on gathering business on this side, which they build this, and they have been earning 2-3 lakhs a month. So that's how the potential is for from here. I'm sorry, it's raining outside, so I can't help much. There might be some noise around it. Yeah, so that's the potential for people to make money from the system. And I would love to see all of you to make money. Largely, if you ask me, this model is built such a way, the platform will support you. It is up to you whether you want to, what is your contentment level, whether you want to drive a Maruti or you want to drive a Ferrari. Both are optionals. And what is your content, whether if you are happy with Maruti, you can be with Maruti, and if you want to go for a Ferrari, you can make a Ferrari out of this. So that's the huge, humongous potential from here. Moving on, who can be part of this, right? So the who question is that you will have to have a little bit of time for this. Do you have to have a full amount of understanding? Not required. We will train you on a larger piece. But yes, a basic amount of training, definitely of your basic knowledge is required. Why am I saying this? Is because if you're already there in a financial segment field, because there will be many people who would have come on board to us who are already in the financial world, and they would have a slightly higher level of understanding. And when we start training, we might not go to the ground basic levels. Well, I sometimes I keep going back to, and when we clear doubts and all that, we do that on the trainings, but then you might feel left out a little bit if the rest of the team is on a slightly upper. So you will have to do your own bit of reading, your own bit of an understanding. But from our end, we'll give you enough amount of material, understandings, and trainings across to build your business across. Ultimate objective is to ensure that the business is happening, then the thought process. You will have to do the runaround, obviously, yes, because it's your business, it's way of you doing things, right? And there's institutional setup. Yes, we are the institutional setup. We're going to help you in servicing your clients and making money out of that particular system, right? So this is largely what so here there will be an app which you can track, and the biggest USP of Wealthy has been that on a single app you can track all the clients' investments, irrespective of wherever the investment was done. Sometimes mutual funds are bought across different brokers. Sometimes clients buy through one bank, some part of it's another bank. So client can completely see everything at one shot on one particular page, okay, through the app or through the website. And that's where we're going to give you. And then not only that, we also give you an in-depth analysis if there is an overlap of schemes, if something which is duplicated effort. Sometimes it does happen, right? Many of the schemes are same in nature. So that, as well as a portfolio management service, which is you guys will help the person to make investment. So this is how and the aggregation model has been created. Okay. Apart from that, it also gives them, and this is the beauty of tech, right? It is up to that particular individual's inputs that we can give them personalized information about where the portfolio is, how to the wealth creation happen for that particular individual. So it is designed in such a way that his own goal mappings and his own action points can be drawn up from that particular thing. Moving on. Right, so there is, like I already said, there are selection of products which are already available, right from for a equity guy or a fixed income guy or a conservative or a aggressive guy. So they can pick and choose whatever is the rightful product for them from the ready set of solutions which are available. And you guys also can customize it. I'm before even you ask me, like, I'm telling you. But again, we recommend that you go through the research products itself. Yeah, so I have completed my discussion, whatever that I had to share with you. I've kept it very brief so that you guys would be able to, so from here, if you have any queries, anything, you can shoot it out to me either on the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and ask, not a problem.
Yeah, hi, this is Rahul here. I have some questions.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm working in NBFC,
Mm-hmm.
and I heard that
Rahul, I can't hear you. Rahul, I think you'll have to unmute yourself once again.
just a minute, sir. Yeah, now are you hearing?
Yeah, now it's, yeah.
Actually, my question is that I'm working for NBFC, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm associating with Wealthy, then you have several types of products like insurance and mutual funds, SIPs, and almost, right?
Correct.
So there is a process for selling insurance. I have to be associate with IRDA, right? So I have to give test for IRDA, right?
Yeah.
But when I am just associated with IRDA, if my bank will just cross check for my key outside what I am doing, so then I am not able to work for Wealthy, na? with that scenario?
Yeah, Rahul, good question. Thanks for asking this. Let me answer it this way. So we have different set of people who come on to us. There are people who have just lost their jobs recently. In fact, last month we had one case on that similarly. Vishwanath, who was, it's a classic case study actually for us. I'm sorry, it's a long answer I'm just giving, but let me answer it that way.
Sure.
So Vishwanath actually was working for a bank, and he met with an accident sometime, I think in December or something, and post that he was bedridden for 3-4 months. In Jan or Feb is when he went back to his job, and then by March they asked him to quit the bank, and he came on connect with us in July. No, not July, June sometime, and July is when he started off with us. When he came on to us, he was telling me how bad the situation has been. That he was talking about what kind of awards that is won with the organization, and how he was how much of increments he got while he was working. And one fine day, everything was just down the drain because the company no longer felt there's a necessity for him, right? Which is very, very saddening, and that's how today's organizations are, because no longer that bonding is there, that this is my person or this is how I need to be with, right? And so that's one set of people who've just lost jobs and who are lost confidence that I can go and work for some other company. And there are some people who want to experiment and say eventually I want to start on my own, and there are certain business people who are already there and who are coming on board. Those are three kind of people. For people who are already employed, we do have a solution. It's see, when it comes to insurance, there is a point of service option, POS. To begin with, when you're coming on board, so there are different levels that we have built in. We'll explain to you on a later point in time. So when you're starting off with us, you don't really have to attach your IRDA or AMFI license across to us. You can continue doing that with your previous company, and we can take care of that. See, when somebody like you is coming in, it also becomes our responsibility to ensure that your safety is at most important as well,
Exactly.
right?
Yes.
Once you become part of the wealthy family, you are family member for us, and we can't let you down in any manner. So we will take care of you in a certain way. The agreements are drawn in a process wherein it will not impact your job if at all you want to do that alongside. And we also will tell you some other ideas which is going to be legally right for you also to take this up as a part-time.
Okay.
Hope I've answered your questions, Rahul.
Yeah, if you are telling you are taking
Yeah,
care.
that is,
Yeah.
see, because once you come on to us, and we will not let you down. So that much I can tell you. Right?
Because Sawan sir, actually the main thing is कि I have just a huge database. I am just from NBFC and I have just experience of 9 years in banking and NBFC. You can just know कि I have the huge database. But ultimately, I have to also got a security from my company, right now.
Right.
So that I want to ask. But anyway, if you are just telling some
sure
things,
see, we will definitely give you a legally right process to come on board. Don't worry.
No issues. Okay, sir.
Anyone else has a question? You can probably unmute yourself.
Hi, this is Ajay this side.
Hi, Ajay.
Actually, I have joined this call on behalf of my wife, and she's also joined from another set. But I am asking on the question on her behalf that she was working with the bank. Okay? She had a AMFI qualification and ADA certificate. Right now, that ADA certificate was with Yes Bank, for example. So, do I need to again qualify ADA, or I can register with that number itself?
You can register
Because
with
now
that.
I have left. She has left that job. We can register with that also, no?
Yes, definitely. Yes, you can carry forward from there, and you can use the same AMFI as well as same RDA with us.
Okay. And AMFI also, right? Mutual fund.
Yes. See, in fact, to tell you honestly, IRDA is not that very complicated, because the IRDA is not so much emphasizing on the licensing aspect of it. But yes, SEBI has got a lot more stringent laws. But yes, whatever that you had with your previous organization can be carried forward.
Okay, I just have to give you that number.
Yeah, so we'll on the step-by-step onboarding process, we will keep taking it from you, and we'll tell you how to onboard it.
One more query, like that you operational level which you are telling me, telling us, है ना? So on operational level, do I need to, how will I pass on that CRM to that? Will I be having some link of Wealthy where I will be creating those leads and that leads will be assigned to an operation team? Will there be a platform, or just I have to give the leads
Okay,
or to operation
so
team?
there is a platform. You will get a login credential once you come on board, and in that login credentials, like I told you, client you can make client to view all his investments in one shot. Whether it is done through investment was done through Wealthy or not, or all those informations can all be captured onto that, and that information, one is client can see. Also, you can see this, irrespective of where it is done. And same way, in that same platform, supposing you want to do a transaction, the transaction capabilities is in your own control. You yourself can initiate the transaction on behalf of the client, or client can do the transaction. And the moment the client is mapped to you, whatever client does the transaction, you will get the revenue credit for it. So let's assume that you've onboarded the client onto Wealthy platform, and after a point in time, he probably he did some own checks and he made some purchase, or he made his own transaction on that particular app of his. You will get the credit for it.
Okay, even though that transaction is initiated by that customer only.
Customer, as long as it is done on the
my
Wealthy
portfolio, it will be revenue will be for me.
Yes, absolutely.
For financing option, you were telling me that you were telling us that it is in some states only. What are those specific states?
For now, let's say it is let's for now it is limited to Bangalore and Karnataka largely. It is as of now limited to Karnataka because we used to have this in other metros. Now after COVID situation, we paused those things. But yes, personal loan can be done across, but the other mortgage and all those loans, we have a limitation on geographies there. But then largely, from if you ask me, right? I mean, what are we? If from the setup point of view, we are wealth creation portfolio. So we are not here to give them loans. We are not there for CASA. We are not there for FDs. So here our requirement is just because there's a client requirement, we're going to give them that solution that yes, आप वो भी ले सकते हो kind of a thing. So that it's a one-stop solution. But the majority of the focus is on wealth building.
Same thing that once you go to the customer, we have observed that when we are asking him for investment only, so he has certain needs where he needs to be catered.
Correct.
So for that point, I was asking that we can offer such products which will also help us in building a relationship also.
Yes, Ajay. Shortly, that will come to all the cities as well, and we'll ensure that all of you would be able to do most of those transactions also on the platform soon.
Great. Perfect.
We're working on that because for us, we are also in that urgency of bringing in all the products onto the platform and making it available to all of you. Yeah, in fact, as we speak today, right, we've just got down the insurance part of it, and we have reworked on that. And the new one is coming up in this week. So that's how we're working on that. So we keep building new things. We keep reinventing, keep making sure that you get the most updated one at all point in time, kind of. So that we keep doing it from the tech piece. So this also it's also part of our agenda. We'll ensure that will come up soon to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Chandan.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Vineet here.
Hi, Vineet.
I work in a private sector bank.
Yeah,
but I'm not already a wealth manager. I work in a very different profile.
Mm-hmm.
So my question to you is: a lot of people are asking about AMFI license or IRDA license to sell all these insurance or mutual fund products.
Mm-hmm.
So if I have to become wealth manager with Wealthy, so how difficult you think will be for me to get onboarded onto such kind of platform and sell these products to the clients?
Okay. I think I'll just reframe your question. It's not how difficult, how easy it is. Okay, how easy it is. Just you'll have to just fill up a Google form. We generate an agreement, and
Okay.
you sign up with us on that agreement, and you're ready to go with the platform. Okay, because that it's that simple to tell you actually. Now is so basically there are 2-3 levels that we've created. Supposing you are still experimenting on this, you still not got an IRDA license, and you're not very sure whether you will have a successful your interest is on this field or not, right? If you still want to experiment, you can come as a lead generator, which is the first step to the platform. And later on, once you start making money from the system, once you're happy that and then we'll help you to complete your own as of now, exams are not happening for IRDA and AMFI, but moment when it starts off, we'll also help you in clearing those exams, so that will take care of it. But otherwise it's very, very simplistic process to come on board.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Okay, while any one of you, I think Manish has got something to ask. Yeah, Manish.
Yeah, this is Manish from Nagpur.
Yeah, Manish. Hi.
Hello.
Yes, please. I can
Hello,
hear
sir. Sir, I was the chief manager with IDBI, Federal Life Insurance Company.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yesterday, I resigned from the post and was willing to start my own business.
Congratulations. I think you doing this right. Yes. Happy. Yeah.
Sir, I do have a team of around 18 to 20 people who are working under me.
Okay.
Under my supervision.
Okay.
So for example, अगर मैंने उन सभी को अपने अंडर में ये किया वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट में, so do I be able to get the revenues for that?
Yes, there is a. In fact, in the see, there are like you. Today we have a good set of almost about close to 100 people who are working with us on this platform, and some of them who have been making decent amount of money have come back that can I build a team over this. I think on the chat box somebody was also asking me how different will it be from NJ and any other platforms across, right? But yeah, there you can't build a team. Here we are creating that facility across, so those who want to build a team over it, we can help you out in building the team, and the revenue will be shared across.
Okay,
so
all these people
creating that
please.
So we are creating that part of it because many queries have come up onto this, and I think that's a good idea as well, because it's easier for us because somebody else is taking control of and helping and guiding the people across, right, along with us. So we are happy to have such people. So you can connect with us offline. We'll have a discussion around it, because I need some ideas from you as well, how we can build it, because for us it's tech. It's just a matter of a few codes and few things that we need to write to give you that advantage of having a team. That we can do it, but few more ideas I'll take it from you probably, and we can build over it. Not a problem. Connect with me after the session. You have my number, or the person who was in touch with you will share my number across. Feel free to call me. We'll have a discussion around it.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Manish.
Thank you.
And once again, congratulations on because whenever people retire, I feel happy, because now you have a lot of freedom, which that binding force of, I'll tell you my own place, right? I was with the corporate world, if I have to say that. I was for about 20 years, I was working there. My last assignment, I was a state head. It's great, whatever you earn, you make everything, but then there's this you feel like you're in a prison. And suddenly one fine day I just decided to get out of it, and I came on to these guys. I knew these people before. When they started up, I was helping them in setting up the business, and then said, boss, I want to start on my own. I can join you guys, or I can create something. And that's when we started back. I quit that and came here. Oh my God. The kind of relief that comes up, it's just a peace of mind. You feel, boss, I've just gone into the Himalayas. Where was I kind of all this time? So for that, it's congratulations. You out of that rut, actually. So all the best for that endeavor of yours of starting your business. And I'm happy that if
I'm
we
going
can
to
be part of
connect
your
you after
success.
this conference.
Sorry?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah,
I'm going to connect you after this.
sure, definitely.
Then, sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, any questions, anyone else? Yes, Dinesh, you can definitely be part of it. We'll help you out in coming on board with us. Hi, Mr. Somnath. You can unmute yourself and ask me if you want to, or you can put it on the chat box also.
Yeah, hi sir. I'm
Hi.
Somnath from Kolkata. Actually, I am in a private sector bank, different types of products. Actually, I'm handling merchant acquiring of a bank for a state of
Okay.
West Bengal. So, sir, if I interest in all these, so I have to make my IRD certificate or anything else, and it will be impact for my banking industry and my current job.
No, it will not. Like I was telling, I think I was telling Mr. Ajay also that when you come and become part of our family, you become our family member, and we would never allow our family member to go down in any manner. So most of the agreements that we drop are in such a way that legally it will not impact you in any manner. One, and as far as IRDA and AMFI examination, yes, the regulator does ask us to have those kind of things in place, but till that time you become comfortable in the model, till the time you feel that this is something which is doable for you, you can come with us, experiment with us. Once you feel happy that you can grow and you can do much more, and there are a lot of people like who have been with us who just came in to try, and we gave them the platform across, and once they were comfortable in a matter of 2-3 months, then they took up it as a full time. Actually, in fact, we had a guy, Sai, classic example is, Sai, what he used to work for ICICI Direct, and one fine day he came on board to us, and then he said, I wanted to try something. And today he's making about 3.5 lakh kind of income with us. And then he just said, boss, I'm working for the full day and earning half of the money, and here I'm able to earn double. So he quit that and is full time. So I would love to see more of those people who are making money from us. So that's I would be happier to see this. So there are people, and there are some people who are employees with us. Okay, we used to have an RM model where RMs were part of our employees. They realized that instead of me being an employee and earning less within the system, they have become wealth managers across, and they said, we call it as digital wealth managers. So they've moved on to become digital wealth managers, and they're happy doing that kind of thing as well. So a couple of people have done this side to that side shifting also within the system. So not a problem. We'll be with you. We'll ensure that your protection is also taken care of. We'll explain to you when we come and interact with you.
Okay, Chandan. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, Ms. Rashmi, please do connect. We will have an interaction. We'll build models around it as well, because that would be much more helpful for me, because people like you or people like Mr. Dinesh coming in, and if you guys can give me some ideas around that, what can be done and how can build over it, because we're a startup, very, very fluid environment, and that's the beauty of fintechs, right? We can, we are very fluid, and we are open to changes. We're open to thought processes. You can connect with us, and definitely I'll be happy to interact with you. Please do connect. Don't miss out. See, I don't know who this is. It says OnePlus 7 Pro. That's why I was saying in the requesting everyone to change the name. But nevertheless, you don't really have to be in a banking domain to be part of this. But yes, if you have the urge to make money, and if you have the inclination to understand financial products, rest is up to us. We will help you to make money. Ultimately, I keep saying this, success and money are very, very close relatives, and for you, we will ensure that you will make money and success anyways part. Of course, success is defined in different manner to different people, but somehow, whether we like it or not, somewhere in this world, it slowly comes and attaches itself, and they're very, very close relatives across. So yeah, Arpit, thanks. So you can come on board, but only thing is, yes, you will have to probably do a little bit of extra readings than the rest of the people. Whenever we have trainings, don't miss out on the trainings, because our trainings are not mandatory trainings. Very few people who have time will come and join. So when you miss the trainings, then you might take time to learn. But if you're joining Arpit, as long as you want to make money, come in. We are happy to support you. Yeah. Any other questions that we can take? Yes, Mr. Satya. Mr. Satya Gaur, you wanted to ask something? Okay, fair. If anyone else has any questions, anything?
Oh, Deepak here, sir.
Yes, Mr. Deepak.
Sir, how we are different from NJ and other broking firms?
See, all of us are in similar kind of lines. If I have to tell you in a broader perspective, NJ has its own model. Then there is Prudent, who have their own model. Every Carvi has one. Then everyone has created a similar kind of a thing. Where our biggest differential comes in is that because we are a fintech company, like I told you, majority of the products which are not advised, something like private equity products, are not given out in many of the cases, which thankfully, because we have both the promoters are IITIM guys and their friends are all over, so those kind of products, which is typically a wealth management boutique. And at the same time, many of these models, which are sub-broker driven models, have the key fix or the clientele is to check on the bottom end of the pyramid. So there are mostly SIP based models and things like that. So who want to cater to people who are doing small investments. We would not want to stick to that part of it. We are going to a slightly upper affluent class who have a slightly sizable income to invest onto. But this doesn't stop the investor from making smaller investment. But yeah, the way we build your thought process will be to cater to a larger piece where the bigger money is, right? And then the huge potential also on the other side, because these are those people who are looking for advisors. And trust me, there have been different, there has been direct as well as, so people experimented on direct and they burnt fingers and they realized, no, I need a subject expert to go back and advise me onto it. So people like you are being most solicited, and there is money for everyone. There is scope for everyone. So NJ will do their part of it, Carvi will do their part of it, Prudent will do their part, they will have their own. So, and we are doing our part to ensure that, people who want to save and invest will be part of it. Another differential, probably, if I have to tell you, is on the sharing part of it, right? We've kept it very, very fluid and transparent. So you will see all this on your platform itself, that how much you're going to earn from that particular transaction. There is no slabs and there's no things like that. It's at one rate for everyone. So all of you are treated as family members, and all of you will get the same kind of a treatment across, irrespective of whatever the size of money that you do. Yeah, I hope I have cleared. Yes, there is scope for everyone. Yeah. I think Arpita or something like that wanted to ask the next question. Ishita, I think. So just a minute, let me. Yeah, Mr. Rahul. You can
Is
raise
there
your
any
hand
charges?
and respond to
Is
it.
there
Yes.
any charges for joining your company?
No, Rahul. There is no charges for joining us. You don't have to buy any software from us, nor do you have to pay anything for the registration or anything. We want you to come on board, make money for yourself, build your own enterprise. We'll support you for the enterprise. Like I said, if you make money, we also make money, because it's a profit. Whatever it's earning, that earning is shared. So we don't charge you for anything of that.
because there are so many such type of companies. They are first making us so many commitments, and after
I know,
that,
I know, I know, I know. We come across these questions on every seminar that we do, and people ask them to buy softwares, and you say, "Boss, you don't do business, also chalega software le lo," kind of a thing. No software, no training fees, no joining fees, nothing absolutely. You come on board, you make money. That's good enough for us.
onboards is going from towards on today on onwards, or you can just
No, you will be almost part of a larger family. But yes, how we do it is that there will be an RM who will be taking care of you. We also create a small WhatsApp group. These will be very, very small groups of 20, 25 people each. And as long as it's a manageable group, that's how we're going to keep it. In that group, we'll interact with you. At the same time, your RM and you will have a connect. Then I am there at all point in time. You can feel free to connect with me or anybody in the system.
So initially we are just a sales generator, right? Lead generator, right?
Yes, if you were to see, it's not a lead generator. I think lead generator would be a very, from the technical perspective, to start off, you can be a lead generator or you can be a wealth manager also. Either ways, the choices are yours. So basically there are different ways of it. So initially when we onboard people, you will come as a lead generator team member, but then here we will not treat you as a lead generator because here you're managing your client's money. Right.
Yes.
So it is, for us, the brand is going to be you. It's not going to be, wealthy, right? So that brand has to be made stronger. So if you go and talk right things to customers and make them build money, you see, like I was saying, in fact, this was something was shared to me in a couple of years back in one of the presentations that I was doing. And that person gave me a very, very interesting insight. He said, when the patient is with the doctor, if that particular patient is cured, the doctor lost his client. Whereas for a wealth manager, the more money client makes, the more the wealth manager makes. So for you and me, our effort, our wishes, or what we pray to God is that, boss, let my customer make more money. So you would be our brand for us, and you are not just a lead generator ki boss humne lead leke aake wealthy mein thok diya, because nobody else will take care of the client. Only you have to take care of the client. So you would be the whole and sole person for that particular client.
So for कितने बैंकों के साथ आपका टाई अप है?
For which product आप बात कर रहे हैं?
जो भी अपना, जैसे अगर
म्यूचुअल फंड है तो ऑलमोस्ट 40 ऑल म्यूचुअल फंड का है. इंश्योरेंस में वी हैव मेड अवेलेबल फॉर अबाउट लाइफ में 7 ऑड इंश्योरेंसेस एंड 2 मोर आर ऑन द पाइपलाइन. हेल्थ और इसमें अनदर 14 ऑफ देम आर देयर. तो मेजॉरिटिवली आपको जो प्रोडक्ट सब में, अगर वी आइडेंटिफाई किसी में अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, so we will sign up with them because we are institution, so we have an ability to sign up with them and give them that commitment. So for you it will be like, I'll give you a classic example. Kiska tha ye? Same guy, that Hyderabad RM of mine. So he is doing insurance premium for his client's Porsche car. I think probably closure will happen. It was with a different company, and when he wanted it, what happens in a system is we give you a comparative analysis of 3-4 insurance quotes. Like probably there are a lot of Policy Bazaar and all these.
Got it. Yes.
Okay? Similar to that, and you can pick and choose whichever is the right one for the client. And that gives you a better edge to give the client the right and the most meaningful product across. So that's why we sign up with so many companies. Otherwise, one is good enough अगर insurance ही करना होता तो. But ऐसा नहीं है ना. So we've signed up with a couple of, and if we find that somebody has got like, in fact, what is happening is this company called Cube. I'm just giving info. Cube is it used to be Reheja Group. Now Paytm has just taken over that company. So they have been following up. They've got interesting product across, but we're still thinking twice over it whether should we really onboard them, because no point adding everyone onto the platform as long as we should do some amount of justice for them as well. But signing up can always be done at any point. If we find something is interesting with them which others don't have, then we will definitely sign up, and आपके लिए मिल जाएगा वो.
Okay, got it.
Hi, this is Ipsita from Hyderabad.
Hi, Ipsita.
I understand your company's model. Way back, there used to be a company called Way to Wealth in Hyderabad,
Of
which used to
course.
work on the same model.
Okay.
Okay, but what I want to know is, do you have your own product baby, in terms of if somebody wants to invest in equity? So, do you have something which has 2, 3 different products of equity as a club together, and that we can serve to the customer for a better financial gain,
Mm-hmm.
something like that?
Okay. First thing, good that you asked me. I think I missed out during the presentation. One product that we don't cater to, or neither do we intend to add in the any near-time future, is stocks. And thanks for mentioning Way to Wealth, because Way to Wealth is closest to my heart. I started my career with that particular company.
Me too.
I owe a lot to Siddharth wherever he is out there in heaven. And since I was in Bangalore, I used to have a very close interaction with the, gentleman of golden heart, I would say. Yeah, thank you. As far as stocks are concerned, we don't have any of our own. We don't have stock portfolios. We don't want to get into that, because I've seen through difficulties in stock management and things like that. So we don't want to have it. Do we have any kind of in-house product? No, we don't have. We are purely distributor. We will bring together various different institutions who have products. It could be the larger any institution, which is a mutual fund company or insurance company or anyone, and make it available to all of you. It's more of an intermediary, which is that we are distributors, to be put it in simple terms.
Then the question arises is that you're saying that for every sale, the person will get 70% of the payout, but every company has different charges internally levied.
Yes.
How come you will maintain this organized way of giving the payout?
That's the beauty of technology, right? So once you come on board, you will notice it. We call something called as a dashboard. In the dashboard, typically it's your login ID. If you have to, you can mention in that if this is the product that you're going to give it to the client, and the moment you mention that onto that, on your right hand side, it'll show that this is the revenue for this particular product. Okay. That's the beauty of technology, and we've been able to build that on the platform.
So your flagship is mutual fund?
Yes, flagship is mutual funds, because what we found is that for the wealth creation part of it, mutual fund is the best solution.
It's the closest to stocks.
Yes, it's closest to stock, and it is much easier. And of course, there are two levels. One is the fund manager himself manages, and we do take a lot of internal calls and decide what is to be done across. See, sometimes technology does most of the checks. I'll give you another random example. Let's say L&T funds, right? When it comes to look, let me not give this example because it will go on public domain. Okay, so let me give you. So sometimes we know internally what is happening to that particular company, right? Then let's say there's a fund manager change. The software doesn't understand that there's a fund manager change, but then we have built in that mechanism from human intervention that this fund manager change could result in this kind of an action. Sometimes we pause those kind of funds, sometimes we make those changes across. That way we also do a little bit of a overlapping on the management. But yes, we found that mutual fund is a great product for investors to take care of their investment growth. Along with that, we do pre-IPOs, we do secondary market bonds, which can be an add-on to the customers' portfolios for growth. And obviously, insurance protection also comes in, because more from their insurance needs. And generally, we don't advise people on ULIPs or anything like that. It's need-based. Probably in the last 4 years, not 4 years, because initially we were not part of the insurance products. So in the last 4 years odd that we've started off, we must have hardly sold any kind of ULIPs across to clients. So largely we've sold term plans. We've given them sold.
Is it because the revenue on ULIP is the least?
Yeah, ULIP is a list, and of course, if it's a client-based need, and if we find that it is a doable product, and that to current ULIPs in the current avatar, we are happy, because the expense ratios are cheaper. But unfortunately, the whole world is now shifted to traditional plans, because brokerage is higher. We don't do it for brokerage. Brokerage comes to us last, and that's where we encourage.
But the assurance on traditional plan is much more higher, And with this COVID kind of a situation, people are looking for assured returns.
Yeah,
So
and yeah, it's true, absolutely true. And so many people have come on board and taken HDFC Sanchay from us. And we are happy because, there's a fixed guaranteed return of coming out there. Nothing
true.
wrong because nobody else in the country can offer fixed return.
Assured, yes.
Yeah, the conversation can go longer. So
I
we'll
can
not,
understand.
yeah, but hope I have answered that part. We don't have
Yes.
our own product, and nor do we have stock offerings. It is
Okay.
typically a distribution company.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Ishita. Do we have any other questions?
One more small query.
Yes, please.
Do you have a monthly, or do you set targets for us, whoever joins your
No,
board?
we don't.
Or
We don't. It's your
it's
business.
it's our baby completely.
Yes,
How much we
it's your
want to
call.
do, whatever.
Like I
Okay.
said, if you're contented with a Maruti, you can drive a Maruti. If you're contented with a Ferrari, it's yours, right?
Okay.
So choice is yours. We will not push you for any kind of targets because that's the base of the crux of the business. Because once we put a pressure onto the sales guy, eventually there's wrong selling, right? And here there is no commitment that we are giving it to you. There is no salaried or there's no things like that, right? So obviously you don't have to worry about somebody sitting on top of your head to do something
Great.
which is
Thank you.
yeah, sure. Thank you.
हेलो,
Yeah, Rahul.
आवाज आ रही है सर?
आ रही है राहुल, बोलिए.
आ रही है. हाँ सर, गुड इवनिंग.
Good
उस
evening.
समय से मैं फिक्स कर रहा था अपना माइक्रोफोन. तो गुड इवनिंग. एक्चुअली मेरा कोई रिलेशन नहीं है बैंकिंग सेक्टर से. मैं बस
Okay.
बैंक पैसे जमा करने जाता हूँ और
हाँ,
वापस बैंक से मैं निकालने के लिए ट्रांजेक्शन. तो उससे ज्यादा मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है इसके बारे में. यहाँ पे
Okay.
जितने लोगों ने पहले क्वेश्चन पूछे सभी बैंक से कुछ न कुछ रिलेशन था उनका.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
तो हाउ कैन आई वर्क विद दिस?
सर आपके लिए थोड़ा तकलीफ होगी बिकॉज यहाँ पे एडवाइजर का काम बनता है. तो आपको कस्टमर के पास जाके उनको फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट के बारे में समझा के उनको राइट प्रोडक्ट देना पड़ेगा. तो शायद आपके लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा सर वो.
I am an export-import advisor. I am running an import-export consultancy.
Okay, now
in
you're
Patna,
coming to
Bihar.
that part. Okay, so but how good is the financial product knowledge when it comes to, let's say, आपने invest किया हुआ है? If you we can
हाँ,
take the
किया है.
question offline also. I'll if so definitely I would love to have good people on board who want to earn. And we'll support you on the trainings and things like that. But कभी कभार क्या होता है, my experience in the previous set of batches also, initially हम लोगों ने onboard किया था non industry वालों को भी. वहाँ पे eventually they felt कि बॉस मैं misfit हूँ, I'm not feeling in the right place. हम लोगों को बुरा लग गया कि बस हमने उनको तो लेके आए थे, अभी they're not happy continuing with us. I don't want that situation honestly, because वो बहुत बुरा लगता है, because एक bonding जैसा बन जाता है और फिर अब जब वो ऐसा लगता है कि घर का बेटा बाहर जा रहा है kind of a thing. तो बहुत मुश्किल होती है, दिल पे लगती है. तो इसलिए we'll take the question. अगर आपको लगता है कि you can still do something, we'll offline connect करेंगे. तो आपको लगता है कि बस आप हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं, happy, but थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा.
Obviously, मतलब बैकग्राउंड मेरा आईटी से था, फिर मैं एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट ज्वाइन किया.
अच्छा.
Later on, I went for Faridabad. I spent my 16 year in Bangalore, Yelahanka.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
pass out student of Nitya Meenakshi Institute in Yelahanka.
Okay.
And later on in 2016, I moved to Faridabad for the import-export line, and I joined the consultancy for the import-export. Then B2B one company is there, Corpinus Global Private Limited.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a branch head of that company in Patna branch. And January, after the 2 months, their lockdown is happened. तो अब मुझे लगता है कि कल रात में मैसेज आया था, रात में, तो काफी की बात है. बट मेन जो क्वेश्चन है कि ये कि मेरा इसमें मुझे सीखने में कितना टाइम लग जाएगा.
हाँ, सीखने के लिए
तो मैंने फील्ड बहुत चेंज किया.
सीख सकते हैं, बेनिफिट भी है, स्कोप इज इमेंस. विल टेक इट अप ऑफलाइन, बात करेंगे, बिकॉज़ थोड़ा
फील्ड बहुत चेंज किया है मैंने. क्योंकि मैंने अभी तब से मैं सुन रहा था, क्योंकि 4-5 लोगों ने बात किया, तब सभी मुझे बैंक से रिलेटेड लगे।
हाँ,
मुझे मैं ये बाहर
इट
का
इज अ
हूँ।
फाइनेंशियल कंपनी, तो आपको अगर फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड है तो ही बात बनती है,
जी।
वरना मुश्किल होगी आपको,
ओके
देन
ओके
इवेंचुअली
ओके।
आपका भी इंटरेस्ट हट जाएगा।
And then Vikas
या
this
मिस्टर
side.
विकास।
Just to answer the previous question which has been asked, basically this is my second session with you, so I love to be a part of this session.
Thank you. I'm happy to see people coming back for the second time.
Frankly speaking, if I talk about my background, I retired from Armed Forces as a South Service Commission officer.
Okay.
So first 10 years of my service, no financial background as such.
Okay.
And thereafter, I was joined in HR team in one of the mobile manufacturing company. Thereafter, I'm into safety and security. So if I frankly speak about my background, I don't have any education per se about finance. Though I have undergone a small certificate course in management in one of the IIMs, just to have a broad idea. But still, it is only because I have the inclination towards the investment, बोल सकते हैं, or you may say it could be a finance part. So whatever I have learned, it is on my own interest. So whatever little bit of idea about mutual funds, stocks, insurance, how do you understand the graphs, how do you go for the investment, when to invest, when not to, whatever. So it is just about the experience. So I would like to share that, if you have that knack to learn, you can learn it. Yes, the pace may be slow initially, but if you have that attitude to learn, then you can pick up easily after maybe 2-3 months.
Absolutely.
That is what my this, like in armed forces, every battleground is not same.
Yeah, true.
So before you go to the battleground, you need to study that.
Respect.
So it depends on you. How do you study that?
True.
If you are keen to study and keen to excel, then there is no boundary. You can go ahead.
I mean, thank you for filling in for me. Actually, that's more important. Actually, जो अपने experience से बोलते हैं ना, live experience, and that's very true, Bikash ji, because हम लोग भी पैदा होते ही सब सीख के नहीं आए थे. In fact, to tell you, Rahul ji, let me also answer this. I did my masters, which is my MBA program in marketing and systems, which is computers. I wanted to go and sell software eventually.
It's 5:30.
Sorry, 1 second. So I तो eventually क्या हो गया, but it is fate, like what we are today. This is same thing which happened 20 years back in 2001. There was subprime, there was this WTC attack, and तभी वो Kargil war had just got over. The job market में jobs ही नहीं थे. I think in our entire college, probably I was the only batch which didn't get a campus placement. And उस time पे, whatever luck could have it, I went on to actually fastener business for some time, for a few months, and then one of my friend got me back to finance, and I hated finance, honestly. मुझे लगता था बॉस ये बहुत complicated है, मुझे होता नहीं है मेरे से, and in body बहुत मुश्किल. But of course, economics was my favorite subject at all point in time. Even today, I believe everything revolves around economics actually. But then financials पे थोड़ा कम ही लगता था मन. Then I got into this, picked it on my own, but obviously that was full-time jobs those days, right? Way to Wealth, like I think Ipshita was checking on this, so I started that career from Way to Wealth. I'm thankful to them for bringing me into this industry. So कर सकते हैं राहुल जी, but yeah, ठीक है, we'll definitely talk, and thank you Bikash ji for supporting this, and hats off to you, and I'm happy that you're coming in for the second time again for the session. We would love to. I'll connect with you offline, Bikash ji.
Right.
Yeah, sure. Any other questions? Any other things? I think we've overshot the time also. आधा घंटा ज़्यादा हो गया. So I think what we'll do is we end the session. Our team will get in touch with you. In case any queries, anything, we will keep taking questions online, offline. Please do connect. Please do, जो भी doubts है, जो भी whatever that you have in mind, you check with them. If you not got satisfactory answers, please reach on to me. We'll connect. It's a long-term process. It's not that one day wala thing नहीं है. We'll be in touch. So, till then, till we meet next time, goodbye. Take care.
Yes,
Yes, please.
Shravant, yeah. Please connect with us because we are not able to track those whose name is not, it is like
Yes,
iPhone
yeah.
and all.
So that's something which I had requested, because many people who have renamed have not renamed. The names are in different formats. It doesn't. We cannot see who's come in, who's not come in.
Yes. So please connect with us.
Yeah, sure. Please do. Don't miss out. Please do connect. Till then, make money, be successful.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Good luck to all of you.
Thank you very much for.
Have a
joining.
nice weekend.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for participating. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Chandra.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Manish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Abhishek.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Rahulji. Thank you.
Diya, Diya,